Cancer has been rapidly gaining ground and threatening the lives of millions around the world because of the various malignant forms it takes within the human body. Cancer deaths are more and more prevalent within modern contexts. Specifically, colorectal cancer is the second leading cause of cancer death among men and women combined in the United States, according to the American Cancer Society. Colorectal cancer is the cancer of the colon or rectum, and there are many risk factors associated with this cancer. Some of these include being overweight or obese, physical inactivity, certain diets, heavy alcohol use, and smoking. Diets including high intake of fat and processed meats, such as the Western diet, are known to increase the prevalence of cancer. Sporadic colorectal cancer is the most common type, given the name because it forms in patients with no family history of the disease.
Previous studies have found that a Western diet in mouse models creates a similar incidence and frequency of tumors as in humans. In this study led by Dr. Leonard Agonic, it was found that the expression of stem cells in the intestines was altered in mice that would fed the Western diet. The two main types of stem cells were the LGR5 and BIM1 cells. Mouse models were bred to be heterozygous for either the LGR5 allele or the BIM1 allele in this study. There were three diets: AIN76A, a controlled purified diet, NWD1, a diet modeled after the human Western diet, and NWD2, similar to NWD1, but with a higher vitamin D3 and calcium level. Each mouse continued on their diets for a total of 9 months before being sacrificed. The data was analyzed using multiple statistic tests.
The results showed that the NWD1 diet decreased the number of LGR5 cells and the ability to trace their origins. However, there was not a difference found between diets for the BMI1 cells. The NWD1 diet also damaged gene groups that determine gene functions and interactions, causing a reduced DNA repair mechanism. This is a common trait found in patients with cancer, as it can lead to mutations and other changes that can cause tumor growth. Compared to the NWD2 diet, this effect was not present, indicating that the DNA repair mechanism is vitamin D3 and calcium dependent. This shows how important dietary needs are to reducing the risk of cancer. Moreover, when LGR5 cells are damaged by NWD1 diet, the body compensates by recruiting the other stem cells, BMI1 cells, in order to make up for the loss. There is also a possibility that other stem cells may be the origin of human tumors, as they can get incorporated due to other dietary changes in the body.
This study provides insights on the power of nutrients in human tumor development, as well as the importance of mimicking nutrient environment when researching the cause of cancer. The functions of LGR5 and BIM1 cells were greatly influenced by a diet similar to the Western diet linked to human sporadic colorectal cancer. The human body adapts and changes due to our diets. Thus, it highlights how important it is to eat whole, unprocessed food, fresh fruits and vegetables, and maintain high levels of important nutrients.